Good morning.
What food is it? Say hi.
Hi. And today we are making bubbles in a bathtub. Mama says to go there at the beach. Yeah, be excited. Check it out. Here in the beach. Hey, chicos. What's it go? What's it go? Going to the beach.
Ano na? Ano na, kuya? Whoa, it's bubbles. Tayo niyo ba yan? Good morning! So, it's Christmas. Oh, it's okay na, anak. No more na. It's Christmas time and we are making bubbles, but I think it's not working. One more time, anak. Go, go, go.
To put my toys here and to put toys in here.
Going to try it in the bathtub? Ano siya kakwenta-kwenta, guys. Merry Christmas, Miguel! Kaya na po sila Marcela. Pakita ko lang. Nag-swim nga sila maglola. Marcela! Marcela! Marcela, lagot ka! Lagot ka na, mami! Lagot ka, mami! Where's Miguel? Miguel! Si Mami, ang aking sexy Mami. Merry Christmas! And ito na po mga siksik manahan. The sexy manahan. And then, ang sexy Misola. Okay na kayo? Sarap? Enjoy ba? Sobrang enjoy, no? So, hi guys! Nandito lang kami ngayon. Si ate nandito. Tapos sila Marcela, nandito naman sa beach. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tara guys! Ayan sila. Kita niyo ba sila? Suzumin ko. Ayan sila oh. Pakainit, Diyos ko. Hi Miguel! Ano? Antok na ba? O sige, tara, let's go. Napakadumi na mukha mo. Pakaitin mo na, anak. Hi guys. So, dito na naman kami. Naka-check out na kami sa ayun. Sa Central Park Reef. Pero lilipat kami sa By the Sea. Pero kakain muna kami ng lunch. Pagod na kami. Kaya ayaw na namin munang gusto mo na kami lumabas. Pagod na kami sa loob ng hotel. Ganyan pala yun. Opa. Mas papatulan ko pa kay Zoo kaysa mag-swimming eh.
Practice pa lang yan. Alam na natin na pag isang araw na tayo sa swimming.
Kain muna po kami ngayon dito sa Fortune sa Misubi. Oo, wait lang. Go. Ha? Kamu sa want to swim, anak? Oh, you cannot go to swimming pa, ha? You're not wearing your bathing suit. Up, 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 up! Marcela! Later pa. Just go. Oh, get your toy, get your toy. Change your clothes na. Wanna change your clothes?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the room.
I don't want to go to the room.
But you need to change your clothes. Diba?
I'm gonna get
Oh, your toy. Get it. Hello. Get it. Get your toy. Oh.
banana.
So, day 2 dito sa Subic and
Marcela!
lumipat kami. Dito kami nakastay noong una. Dito na kami ngayon. And look. Mas maganda yung beachfront nila dito. Malaki. Pictorial muna sila.
Marcela!
Masaya.
Yan yung mga alaga mo. Ayan. Marcela! Para maganda view. Oh, we got a table.
Sino nagpapaayos ng table?
Ako na paayos.
Go.
Where is Miguel? Where is Miguel?
Di ba? Kala mo.
Are you happy? Are you happy we are...
Good morning guys. So today, nandito naman kami ngayon and it's already 6:15 siguro in the morning. Yan. Hi guys! So, good morning! Say good morning anak. Yan, kagising lang namin. Sunrise lang kami dito. Happy birthday to you. Oh, aray, anak! To you. Happy birthday to you. Twinning pala tayo ngayon, anak. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. If you ever got something that you wanted to say, better start talking before I go away. Nailasas ako doon. Hoy! 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 Yung shoes niya, hoy! Jayali yung shoes niya, tagal yung hula. Picture kayo kung vlog ako. Mahuli ka na. Papa. Mama. Oo. Oo. Ingat ka, anak. Go to Ate Jonalyn. Ate Jonalyn, go to Ate Jonalyn. Oh, Jogo! Coffee, that's coffee. Go to Ate Jonalyn. Go there. Ano ba anak ko? Hindi ko nakikita. Hindi ko nakikita anak ko. Nasaan na siya? Nandito siya. Miguel! Miguel! Come here. Come over here, anak.
Laban yung star fish dito, Tisi.
Wala yan.
Saan makakita niyo, Tisi?
Eh, sa ibang beach. Sa YouTube. Shh! Miguel, 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 Miguel. Dito. O doon, baka maano siya dyan, mabubog. Teka lang. Diyos ko Lord, anak naman. Ako na, dito na lang yan. Dito man lang itapon. Akin na, sa basurahan. Madumi, Joe na rin walang shoes. Dito dapat, wag dyan sa madumi. Wait. Oh, taas na nga tayo. Oh, kami anak ko. Oh, you're back here. Oh.
Layo nilakad niya, Tisi.
Ay, pinagod mo siya dahil lang sa basurang yan eh. Saan ba lalagay yan, anak?
Tatapon.
Where are you going, baby? Miguel! Dami ko bata isla.
Guno ka dyan.
Okay, sige, kukunin ko. Yes, why? What's your problem? What? We can't go to the beach, we're going to the snow.